Welcome back to my channel Benji's Home Cooking, and I'm Sarika Benjamin. Today I bring to you a very popular recipe that is called as popcorn chicken or chicken pops or even chicken nuggets. It's a dish that is enjoyed by all age groups, especially the children. So now you can make this snack easily at home. A dish that can be served as starters for parties as well. So I hope you enjoy this video. Let's get started. To make the popcorn chicken, I have taken chicken breast cut into cubes, vinegar 1 tablespoon, soya sauce 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of cornflour, 1 egg. In the spices we have salt 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon of pepper and a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. For the coating we have onion powder 1 teaspoon, a teaspoon and a half of chili powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, salt and oregano. This is dried oregano. We have half a cup of all-purpose flour or maida and a cup of bread crumbs. These are fresh bread crumbs. All I have done is taken 3 to 4 slices of bread, blended in a mixie, and this is what you get, a coarse powder. I have taken 500 grams of chicken breast here. I have washed it, pat dry it, and I have cut it lengthwise first and then into small bite-sized cubes. I have done this at home, so you can just buy a whole chicken breast and cut in the sizes that you would prefer. This is how I have cut it. To make the chicken popcorn, we are going to marinate the chicken pieces into the spices and the wet ingredients that we have. So chili powder, pepper powder, salt, ginger garlic. Please make a note that a detailed description of the recipe along with the measurements of ingredients is given in the description box below. To this we will add soya sauce, vinegar, egg, cornflour. All of it needs to be added together. The entire ingredient list that we have mentioned for the marinade, just put all of it into it. Marinate the chicken at least for 20 minutes or for half an hour if you have time. This helps the meat or the chicken to tenderize and it absorbs the flavors of all our spices well. You can also marinate and keep it for overnight if you like and if you have time. Make sure that the masala is well coated. If your spice is a little wet or the mixture is a little wet, you can add a teaspoon or 2 of cornflour to it. For the crumb coating, we need half a cup of all-purpose flour, a cup of bread crumbs. To that we will add the spice powders. We have the chili powder, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder and salt. The marinade already has salt, the chicken marinade, and the bread also has salt, so make sure you use the right quantity. Mix it well, after which we are going to coat every piece that we have marinated into this crumb coating. Our crumb coating is ready. We will take one piece at a time and coat it, making sure not to overcrowd it. If we put too many pieces together, then sometimes we might miss out on coating them evenly. The idea is we need to coat every piece well with the breadcrumb coating that we have made here. You can even make these nuggets ready and keep it overnight. Once everything is ready, you can just shrink wrap it and keep it ready. If you have a party or a program the next day, you can make this as a pre-prep and just fry them hot before you serve. They are very juicy, very delicious, and the more you marinate, the more flavorful it is. So all our pieces are evenly coated and covered with the breadcrumb mixture. You can rest it for a while if you have time, or you can fry them immediately. Our chicken is all coated, evenly coated and ready to be fried. I have heated oil in a kadhai. Fry few pieces at a time, making sure not to overcrowd it. This helps the chicken to cook evenly. This chicken is really juicy and very flavorful and does not take a long time to cook. Around 3 to 4 minutes per batch and it will be done. Fry it evenly till it is brown, golden brown. It can be served as a party starter, as an evening snack. You will really enjoy this. You can spice it up the way you like. It is such a versatile recipe. You know, you can use the spices the way you like, according to your taste and your family's taste. You can see how nice, evenly browned and crisp they are. They need to be served hot. So our chicken is ready. I hope you've enjoyed this. Just see how juicy it is. I hope the camera is able to capture the juices inside. Nice and evenly cooked. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to press the bell icon to be notified every time we upload.